Since back to school season is already here, let's create a cute tag that parents and teachers will love without starting from scratch. First, let's choose a template. This one looks perfect. Now it's definitely giving more summer break than back to school, so we're going to remove the little illustrations that don't quite fit the new theme. For the text, we'll change the first line to make your first day. And the second line will say, it's going to be a great year. Next up, colors. This part's totally up to you, but I personally prefer a lighter background, so I'm going to change it to white. Just click the background, go to colors, switch to color fill, and select white. I'm also softening the black text a bit so it's not so harsh. And for it's going to be a great year, I want a solid color. Let's go with orange. That's looking good. Now let's give it one final look and adjust the layout just a little to make sure everything's balanced. I also want to add a small illustration to bring in the back to school vibe. So I'm heading over to Elements, clicking Illustrations, and typing in school. Let's see what we've got. There are lots of great options, but I'm going with this little set of pencils. I'll place it so it fits nicely with the design. And that's it. We've just created a brand new back to school tag in minutes, ready to list and sell this season. Thanks so much for the support. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments if there's something you'd like to see in the next video.